Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Streamyard on Facebook Live in 2025. This setup is super easy and Streamyard makes your live streaming professional and hassle-free. Streamyard offers great features and the best part, you can stream to multiple platforms at once. Let's dive right into it. Now let's say you have already set up Streamyard and you're ready to live on Facebook. Here's how you do it. First, head over to the Destinations tab. You'll see the options or see the three options for streaming on Facebook. You can stream to your Facebook page, group, or profile. Let's go ahead and choose the profile option. Click on that. Once you click that, you'll be redirected to a page where you'll need to confirm your identity. Go ahead and do that. StreamYard will ask for permission to post content to your Facebook timeline. Just click continue to allow it. Now select the Facebook profile where you want to stream. Once that's done, click add destination. And just like that, your destination is set. You're all ready to live on Facebook. Once your destination is added, all you need to do is hit go live to start streaming. And that's how simple it is to stream on Facebook using StreamYard. If you're interested in trying out in StreamYard, check out the affiliate link below to get 14-day free trial. You'll have access to all the best features to help take your streams to the next level. As always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a like if it helped you out. Thanks for watching.